Hi you guys. So today I'm going to open up the Lush June subscription box, and in this box, as you can see, is Lush Bridgerton products, a couple of Lush Bridgerton collab products that are not in the collab products for the public that they're selling on their website. So these two products in this box are not the same as the Lush Collab Bridgerton products that I, with my unboxing I did yesterday and uploaded here. So let me open up the box, and the box is gorgeous, isn't it? It's got a logo and whatnot. So let's open the box. Let's see what is in here. Some of the retro Lush items are also go with the theme of Bridgerton, as you can see in a minute. It says, "To our esteemed subscribers, it is we, your humble Lush inventors, returning with the season's most enticing debut. An exclusive and most decadent set of delights inspired by Bridgerton for one's bath and body. Soak and pamper in the offerings of the Lushton, safe in the knowledge that one's pursuit of indulgence is not over. Among the whisperings of excitement, we are declined to disclose that more extravagant exclusives are yet to come. Follow the latest news from the Lushton with our QR code and uncover our next highly regarded exclusive release." So here's the other side of it. So cool. Okay, so let's see what we have here. And it looks like Lorena's team has packed my box. Thank you, Lorena, and your team. Oh, it's a 250 gram size. I thought it would be the small one. Okay, this is the Keep It Fluffy shower gel. Many of you have been on my website, on my Lushalot.com website, and have been looking at my Keep It Fluffy page with all the Keep It Fluffy products that I've bought in the last 20 years. There's a lot of products, right? When Lush had a sister company called Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful, they had about 15 different perfumes that they sold at the Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful boutique in London. And Lush made a bunch of products in each of those perfume scents. One of the 15 perfumes that they sold at that boutique was Keep It Fluffy. And so they had a lot of very ornate, pretty products in the Keep It Fluffy scent. And the shower gel was one of them. So Lush has made this a couple of times in the previous incarnation of the Lush Kitchen box, and it's always been the smaller bottle, and the label was different. So I liked this label, and let me show you a close-up of the label. Now, normally all the products in the Keep It Fluffy fragrance were pink, a little bit lighter than this. This looks kind of more red, like a reddish pink color. So this one is made with Pakistani rose, jasmine, lemongrass, ylang-ylang, and vanilla. So vanilla, lemongrass, ylang-ylang, jasmine, and rose. So now let's see what it smells like. It does have a lovely red-pink color. Yeah, I was excited because I love this scent. I always have. It was always one of my favorite scents at the Be Never store. Lush UK, back before there was any such thing as Lush USA here, there was Lush UK, and on their website they had a little side thing on their website button that you could click on to go to their Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful products. And so that's how I used to buy their products. Oh, I like this. I was kind of a little worried that it wouldn't smell the same, or you know what I mean? Now, when I smell it in the bottle, just straight like smell it, it smells a lot weaker than the original scent. However, when I kind of squeeze it and then smell it like this, now I'm starting to get more of the true Keep It Fluffy fragrance. So far I like it. One time, one of the half a dozen times that Lush has made this as a retro product in the last 20 years, it wasn't very good. It smelled kind of funky, to be honest. I don't know what the deal was there, but yeah, it wasn't very good, and it didn't smell like the original Keep It Fluffy to me at all. So that's what I was concerned about. But this does, okay? And I can tell that this is one that you have to use, wash your hands with, wash your body with, in order to really smell the fragrance. Because like I say, when I just smell it straight in the bottle, it's kind of like very faint. So I'm pleased with this, and I'm so glad that we got a 250 milligram bottle versus the 100 milligram bottle. Yes. So I'm happy, very happy about this. I would rate this, I mean, I've always rated this like a 5 out of 5 rating. So I think at the very least it'll be a 4 out of 5 rating. But when I use it, it could jump to a 5 out of 5 rating, but I'll write that on my website when I do write my review. Okay, next. A lot of you have been looking at my at this bath bomb on my website. In 2017 or 18, when I went to the Lush Creative Showcase event in England, Lush UK was kind enough to fly me and my husband over there as a thank you. And at the Creative Showcase, they had, I think there were about 6-7 bath bombs that were exclusive at the time to that Creative Showcase attendees only. And Royalty was one of those bath bombs. And so I got about 3 or 4 or 5 when I was there. My husband and I packed them in our suitcase, and I got the little patch of this as well. In fact, let me go get the little patch. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the little iron-on that I got with this. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my God. And there was a big display at the Creative Showcase with what seemed like hundreds of these stacked on top of each other. I'll see if I have that picture because I took a picture of it. This one is made with tangerine, lavender, sandalwood, rose, and frankincense. When I smell it, I mostly smell the sandalwood, which is fine with me because, as you guys know, sandalwood is one of my favorite things. I smell the sandalwood, and I do not smell the lavender, and I don't really smell the frankincense or the tangerine. I smell the rose a little bit, but it's mostly like a sandalwood scent. And it's almost like too pretty to use. And it's got, of course, gold all over it, like a gold crown for Bridgerton. So I'm really excited about this. And I'm excited because you guys get to try this, because it's fun. It's a fun bath bomb. Alrighty, and I would rate this, I mean, just for looks alone, right? And the scent, I think that would be a 5 out of 5 rating product. Okay, now I was so excited about this, okay? This is the Tender is the Night exclusive body lotion. Lush has never made a Tender is the Night body lotion, okay? As some of you know, Tender is the Night is one of my favorite Lush fragrances, like in my top 10 Lush fragrances of all time. And it started out as a massage bar, Tender is the Night massage bar. And then kind of like they do nowadays, where they ask, oh, we're making perfumes. What scents would you guys like us to make? Lush made a perfume of Tender is the Night and let us vote for perfumes, 5 of them, and one of them was Tender is the Night. God bless you, whoever voted for Tender is the Night perfume, because I love it. And then when Lush Japan, Lush Harajuku store, when they released those exclusive 100 bath bombs that were only sold there at that Harajuku store in Japan, one of the bath bombs there was Tender is the Night. So I bought, I think, 6 to 8 of them. So the fact that there's now a lotion, exclusive lotion, I'm just like, oh my God. So this has got vanilla, jasmine, and ylang-ylang. That's what makes up the Tender is the Night scent. Vanilla, jasmine, and ylang-ylang. Let's see what it's like. Oh, and it's even pink. Thank you, Lush North America, for actually making it pink like all the other Tender is the Night products. Yeah, it smells just like it. It smells just like Tender is the Night, the other things in this fragrance. Oh, even more exclusive than, you know, these things, because they've made these before. Even though they were exclusive when they made them, they've made them before. Whereas this, they've never made before except for this box. So that's why it's so exciting. I would rate this a 5 out of 5. I haven't used it yet. I can't use it right now because I'm handling all these things and my camera and stuff like that. But I will write a review when I do actually use it. Oh my gosh, what is this? Ooh, this is called Family Before All, and it's a soap. This one is made with lavender, neroli, and mimosa. Okay, so lavender, neroli, and mimosa. Lavender is very herbal, right? Neroli is a cousin of the orange. It's more like a bitter orange kind of a fragrance, and I love it. Mimosa is a flower from a tree, and they're like little fuzzy purple pink flowers. I remember my dad had a mimosa tree growing in front of his apartments when I was little. And so it's really nice. It's like, it's floral, but not real floral. It's floral with almost like this creamy, sweet, vanilla-like edge to it. Oh God, this smells so good. I could swear this smells familiar. I know what it smells like. I'm just gonna stop this video for a minute. It smells like the Lush Furs perfume. Here's a little scent family photo I took of that. I love this. It smells so good. And this is a soap. I love it. What a beautiful color. And it's got the Bridgerton motif on there and the logo. So, wow, this is a nice scent. I really like this. So far I'm liking everything in this box. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, one more. All right, this bath bomb. Oh, what? This bath bomb is called Lady Danbury, and it's made with cocoa, sandalwood, and vanilla. So it's very yummy, 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 yummy. It smells like cocoa, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. So cocoa, sandalwood, and vanilla. And if you've watched my Bridgerton collab unboxing with the other 5 products from that launch on the website, they have a bath bomb in that collab that looks the same as this one, in that it has 2 halves, and then in the middle is this sort of cocoa butter, looks like a cookie sandwich, cocoa butter mixture, except that one was blue and it was a different scent. But this is the same. Can you imagine? This looks like a macaron that you could eat, and it smells like something that you could eat. So yummy. So, I mean, the scent on this is a 5 out of 5, okay? The scent of this is a 5 out of 5. The scent of this is definitely a 5 out of 5. The scent of this is either a 4 or a 5 out of 5. I have to wash with it first just to see. And the scent of this is like either a 4 or a 5 out of 5. I like sandalwood. I don't know if, everyone likes sandalwood, but just the look of it also takes it up to a 5 out of 5. So all of these products are absolutely wonderful. And usually when Lush makes a subscription box, there will be 2 or 3 products in there that I've already used multiple times over the years. This box is not the case, with the exception of the Keep It Fluffy. I only used a couple of these back in 2018. I've never used this. I've never used this. I've never used this. So I'm happy. I'm really happy, and I really like this box. And Lush North America, I think you did really good at this box. It's lovely. So I'm going to be uploading the new bath bombs. There are 28 new bath bombs that Lush has released last week, and they will be here till around June. And I bought 8 of them for starters because that's all I could afford for now. And I'm using them. I'm taking photos, and when I take a bath, I'm using my phone and doing videos. And I'm going to upload those videos here on my channel so that you can see what those bath bombs look like in the tub, to help you decide which ones you want to buy, if any. And so I'll be uploading those. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, it's free. That way you will get a notification on your email when I've uploaded any Lush video, basically, including the bath bomb videos that I'm going to be uploading. So again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Bye-bye.